Hello, I'm Jay, owner of Volunteer Audio in Oliver Springs, Tennessee. I've got Florian with me. We've got his beautiful 2022 Streetglide ST. I'm going to take a second to talk about the bike because we haven't seen them until this year. This is an awesome bike. So you get the 117 Milwaukee 8 engine. That's the same one that's in the CVO. It's got some really cool accents on it. There's a lot of black trim. Only available normally in vivid black or the gunship gray. But I think it's an awesome bike. I think it's a really good value. But I had to start off and listen to this first and remind myself while everybody comes here. The factory system is pretty terrible. Yeah, pretty hard to hear. So Florian's originally from Austria, but he came here from Georgia. He drove about 2.5 hours, and we find that our average customer drives probably 2 to 4 hours. We do a lot of local business, and some people drive as far as 12, 13 hours away. But we're going to take a listen to it. I'm going to tell you what we've done. So we've done the Hertz HMP4D. So when Florian got here, I actually let him hear a CVO we were working on, and we had the new precision power amp in it. And he's probably the only person I've ever met that said, I don't need that much. Yeah. But I think he's going to be pleasantly surprised because the difference isn't that great. If you doubled your power, you would only gain about 3 decibels of sound. And in this case, there's only about a 20-30 watt difference between the 2 amps. So even though it is a little bit more, I think he's going to be surprised on how much he's fixing to get. But he's not listened to it yet, and I wanted to make sure that we have a real reaction. So we've got the audio system set up, HMP4D Hertz amp, SX165neos in the front, and we did our Hertz cutting kit. So we've got our cut kits with the SX690Neo 6x9s in the back. Now we're going to, just in a few minutes, go to a parking lot so I can judge distance and let you do a walk away. But we're going to get his first reaction before we head that way. All right, so real quick. I know you drove here because you didn't like the system. Can you explain to us how bad it was?
Oh, really bad. I mean, it starts when you start the bike, it changes the frequencies or whatever. And on the highway, even with the normal exhaust, with the factory exhaust, 70, 75 miles, you hardly can hear it. It's really bad.
So we're going to try to make it loud, clear, and able to be heard over his future louder exhaust, also with this current one. So let's get some music playing. Now check this out. All right, here's the first listen. All right, so I don't think we have to play it that much longer. So
I love it.
It's very, very close to the CVO you heard before, is it not?
Oh yeah, no, it's very close.
It's good bass. You had no bass before.
I had no bass.
The highs are crisp, super clear. So, all right, so we're going to get this bike. We're going to drive it down to a local parking lot. We're actually going to go to my church. We're going to get out front there, and then we're going to do a walk away and let you hear just how clear it is. Because in here, this mic just blows out. It's so loud. It gets distorted on the mic, but it is super clear in person. So how about we go for a ride?
Sounds good.
All right, so we got Florian's bike here. We're out in a parking lot at our local church here at Beach Park, and I want to do a walkaway and show you just how loud it is and how far away it's still clear. So let's get it playing. beautiful morning. We just got to do this walk away. Florian's very happy with his bike. We're gonna let him take it back to Georgia. But I want to just wrap up the video and tell you thank you very much for watching the YouTube channel. Please like the video, please subscribe to the channel, and I hope these videos encourage you to take that step, whether it's to buy a kit from us, it's plug and play and do this on your own with all of our step-by-step videos. And on this one, we didn't shoot a step-by-step because we've done this same bike. It wasn't an ST, but the same layout many times, and we can share those videos with you if you want them. But thank you, I hope it encouraged you. If it's something outside of your wheelhouse, just reach out to us. We'd love to meet you. We'd love to build your bike, make you happy. This system has a 3-year warranty on the amp and the speakers, so I know for years and years, Florian's gonna get a lot of enjoyment out of this. Thank you so much, and God bless.